Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to go over how to create a fire protection system. As you may remember from the previous lesson, this primarily entails placing sprinklers. In the previous lesson, we showed you how to place sprinklers in your design, which is the first step in creating a fire protection system. Now, we're going to complete the system. First, left-click on any of the sprinklers that you have already placed in your room. A Modify Sprinklers tab will appear at the top. Within the ribbon, from under the Create Systems panel, click on Piping. This will allow you to begin placing pipes that will connect all of the sprinklers to a water supply, allowing you to effectively create a fire protection system for that room. So to begin that process, click on the Piping button that we mentioned before. You'll see a window pop up called Create Piping System that lets you specify the system type and the system name for your sprinkler piping system. The system type should default to Fire Protection Wet, which is what we're going to go with for this project. Under System Name, you can choose the name for this particular system, or you can leave it at the default, which in this case is Fire Protection Wet 1. When you click OK on that menu, the fire protection system will basically have been created. You can continue refining it though, with the Edit System option, or you can place additional equipment with Select Equipment. In this case, the equipment is basically a pump, which will provide water to the sprinklers and allow the fire protection system to function. If you want to add other sprinklers, click on the Edit System button. A new menu will appear under the ribbon, and from the Edit Piping System panel, click Add to System. Click on the 5 remaining sprinklers that are not highlighted on the screen in order to make them part of the system. When you're done, you can click Finish Editing System, or you can add additional components through the Select Equipment button. You can do that from the ribbon, or directly below that from the drop-down menu that says System Equipment. Right now, there is no equipment in this plan, but you can load a pump system or family into Revit and then place it in your sprinkler system. Click Finish Editing System, since we won't be adding any more equipment. Now, let's do a quick review. In this lesson, we discussed how to create a fire protection system, namely, one that includes sprinklers. We also showed you how to add the sprinklers to the system by clicking on one of them, going into the ribbon, and selecting Piping. We also showed how to connect all of the sprinklers together to complete the fire protection system.